In this video, I'm going to show you how to free transform in Affinity. So there's actually a few things that are included in free transforming, and I'm going to show you all of these right now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do skew and rotation. Now you want to click on the image, you want to free transform, and then down here at the bottom right, when you are inside the Vector Studio and have the move tool selected, you'll be able to see a few different options, and here you have the option to actually basically rotate like this, so you can just click and hold on this R over here and you can rotate, or you can set your own rotation degrees over here, and you can do the same for skew, so just like that, as you can see, and that's pretty easy to achieve. So that's the first thing. Now if you're asking how to actually flip or rotate and that way free transform, you can right click on the image, and here you can see a bunch of different options. So you'll be able to see transform, and then you can rotate or flip, or up top here it's going to say transform, and again you can do the flips, you can rotate the image, you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, so that's actually two things. Now also, if you want to perspective warp, which is also kind of a free transform, you can go to the pixel persona or pixel studio up top here, long press on your move tool and click on perspective tool. Now this will allow you to basically change the perspective of your image just like this by dragging around these corners, or alternatively you could also use the mesh warp tool, which will allow you to distort your image and free transform it to however you want it to be. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how you achieve it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.